Ano ang huling pagkakamali mo na gusto mong itama? Itong year lang, itong January ko lang siya tinama. I rebelled against the Lord.
Seryoso?
I did. There was a season. That's why I couldn't accept compliments of people telling me that I'm good, or when my mama tells me na, anak, I'm so blessed to have you kasi you adjust for everybody. Hindi ko siya matake as truth. Kailangan kong baliin yung sinasabi ng tao. Because there was a season in my life that I was so mad at God. Naging self-righteous pala ako, Jai. Tsaka galit talaga ako. Galit talaga ako kay God. Kasi naalala ko, sabi ko pa kay Lord, watch me. Ginanon ko pa siya. Kasi gusto kong, I'm following you, but you're gonna take my joy out of me. Now watch me. I'm gonna do something, and for this time around, I'm gonna think of myself and not put you first. And when I did that, I purposefully made a mistake. It stopped me from going to church. Nung eventually, nangyari na, andyan na yung consequence, andyan na yung damage, di na ako makabalik sa church because of how I talk to God, yung naging attitude ko. And mistakes are mistakes. Hindi yan aksidente. And that's what I did. I purposefully did. Tapos, yun yung tinatama ko ngayon. Kasi na-realize ko, pag sinabi ko pala na, Lord, nahiya ako kasi ito yung ginawa ko, wala na ako mukhang maharap sa'yo. It's the Lord saying, so hindi enough na namatay ako para sa'yo. Hindi enough na napako ako sa krus para sa'yo. Kulang pa ba yun? So, yun. So, it's just nice to be around fellow believers. It's so nice to be back in church.
How are you now?
Ngayon, much better. Ready ako. Dati kasi takot ako if people find out. Ngayon, wala na. If people find out and they don't like me for it and it's gonna be the end of me, then it's because I deserve it. Lahat ng pagkakamali ay may pagkakataong maituwid. Ang mahalaga, nagsisimula ka sa hakbang ngayon.